So I got something in the mail from Cerise today that I wanted to open on camera. Initially when I first got it, in the words of Shan XO, I was like, I can't be bothered to film it. But then when I opened it up, I don't know, it sparked a bit of joy in me and I was like, I do want to film it. So I have 12% battery, let's get into it. Hopefully I can get this all in one take because it's wrapped so cutely that you can only really do this once. So let's get into it. So we have here, it was kind of like what I did for her birthday. It says, start at 1 and have some fun. And it says, Merry Christmas. Oh my god, totes forgot a card. I'm so sorry. Instead, here's a huge note, haha. Here is some presents and they are for your birthday and Christmas. So yes, you can open it now. Good, because I kind of already did. Also got you some socks for the snow with glitter, because glitter makes everything better. Because yeah, anyways, thanks for being a wonderful best friend I've never met. You are welcome, and same to you. Can't wait for one day to meet you and to see your pretty face. Aw. So, if anybody knows, half the reason I want to monetize my channel is because any money I'm going to get from it is actually going to go towards a plane ticket to go back to New Zealand, because I used to live in New Zealand, and my goal is to use it to go see her. So, let's get my channel monetized so I can go meet Cerise. I mean, anyways, let's get going. It says start with number 1. So it got rubbed off a little bit, but it says use me for feet. And these are the socks that she was talking about with the glitter in them. So I'm not sure if you can see the glitter, but it's kind of like throughout the gold here and the gold on this as well. So thank you. Those will keep my feet nice and warm. Ooh, for your channel, in a cute little golden bag. Oh, it's upside down. So what do we have? Oh, secretive. Oh, is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, they're temporary tattoos. Oh, it's a flamingo. What does that say? My lemons? I'll put it up here when I can figure out what it says. Real teal. It's funny, it even comes with finger condoms. It's temporary tattoos that are supposed to look like real ones when they're done. Well, that's fun. When we get down, or when I finally make it down to New Zealand, we're gonna get tattoos. All right, number 3. Ooh. 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, 9%. Oh, come on, battery. Stay with me. Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, I do know what this is. Oh, that's exciting. This is the Chi Chi. Ooh. Look at all that highlighter. Look at that glow. Oh, that's exciting. I can't wait to play with that. And it's funny, I didn't even read what it said. It said glow bitch. There. So yes. This is the Chi Chi or Celestial Glow Illuminating Palette. That's so pretty. I love these ones especially, but these ones would make for cute eyeshadows as well. Ooh, that's fun. That's exciting. Number 4. I couldn't get your fave. Hope you still like it. Haha, also wine. What? Oh, yes. Tim Tams. My favorite are the salted caramel, but this will do. We don't get a lot of flavors of Tim Tams here, so this is super exciting. Way better than Oreos, and I'm sorry, Oreos. You just, next to this, nope, Tim Tams are first. It's a little Christmas sweater and Santa hat for my wine. Now I need to go out and get a bottle of wine. That's cute. Cute and funny. What number is that? 4, 5. Ooh, this feels funny. Is that glitter? Oh, I've always wanted to try this brand. This is Glitter Injections in Can't Mold Me Down. It's a weird name, but it's so pretty. Actually, let's look at it this way. Oh, I freaking love glitter. Oh, that's exciting. I feel like I just got mail. Oh well. Cherry Blossoms, which is really nice. These are some new sets of lashes. I was actually about to go out. Ooh, unicorn. Nope, I got like package ADD, sorry guys. I was actually about to go out and get some new eyelashes, so that's really exciting. Ooh, unicorn palette. They're all like cream base, but they're all like highlighters. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with that. Oh yeah, I am. Oh, it says, oh bitch, have fun. I'm really bad at this. I just get so excited that I want to rip everything open. All right, number 6. I think that's okay. I think it's meant to be excited about. Something used but thought you would want to try it. Ooh. Dun 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 dun. Glamour Sunbeam Eyeshadow Palette. Look at those! She knows me too well. Look at those glitters. Oh yeah, of course I wanted to try that. Let's, oop. Oh yeah, with a little bit of glitter glue, that's gonna be pretty. Oh, that's exciting. And then I just rubbed the glitter on the floor. Oh, sorry, carpet. Ooh, these ones, this feels heavy. I'm excited to get that one. I want photos of this ASAP. I don't even care if it's snowing. Actually, it's really nice outside today. It is about 1 degree, but it's not hot enough for the ice to melt, so everything is stupid slippery, but it's nice and sunny. Ooh, what's this? Well, that's a cute shirt. So it's got rainbow flames at the bottom and then checkers at the top. Does that mean I'm gonna have to do like a lookbook? Or maybe a picture on Instagram. We shall see. Thank you, that's cute. I'll definitely send you pictures of that one. It just keeps getting better and better. Uh-oh. I'm not sure how you can top glitter, but if you want to try. Oh, fuck. That's how you send something glittery. Oh, it's like, oh, okay. Da, 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 da. That's how it gets better. Oh my god, John is gonna love this. Berry biscuits. He absolutely loves strawberries. And you know him too well because he loves peanuts too. Ooh, and then glitter for me. And trust me, I'm gonna eat the chocolate too because let's not kid ourselves. Oh, these are so cute. I'll have to wear these in my next video too. I'm not sure if you can see. They're little unicorn earrings. Aww, so cute. Actually, I want to dive into this one right now. Oh yeah. Should probably actually eat some real food, but oh well. Oh, this is so cute. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Hemi says it's his birthday next week and he's wondering where the dog cookies are. Ooh! That's exciting. She got me a whole different bunch of septum rings. Oh, that's so cute. I was actually thinking of changing mine up a little bit and then I got scared too and I didn't know what to pick. So this is really helpful. I like the big one with the opal right in the middle. That's super cute. We got 1% battery left. 1 box left to go through. Oh, what does it say? For your harder days. Aww. Oh, that's too funny. Let's just like rip right into this thing. We're gonna name it Tina. It's a stress ball llama. Tina, you fat lord, come get some dinner. Well, thank you, Cerise. This definitely helped brighten my day a little bit. I definitely have some videos to film, obviously a camera to charge as we're sitting at 1% and this is going to die any second now, but I will eat my chocolate while it charges, play with my new stuff, film some videos, and thank you so much, and your present is coming in the mail soon. And if there's anything in this that you would like a closer look closer look at, or want me to do something specific with, definitely leave me a comment in the comment section below. Sorry, my mind is all excited. But yeah, thank you for opening this with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!